Alright guys, we are looking at number 2 now, and whenever we have repeats like we see here, alright, so we have 2x here and we have 4x here, they're on the same side, we need to combine those together. Alright, so what I'm going to do first is I'm going to combine like terms, which is what it says here in step number 1. So I'm going to put a circle around everywhere I see my variable. And then I'm going to include that coefficient and the sign out front of there as 1. Alright, and then I'll put a square around my constant. Okay, there isn't another constant on this side, so I'm not going to end up combining that with anything, which is fine. Now if I take 2x and I add 4x, that's going to give me a total of 6x plus 7 equals 8. And now that I've combined my like terms, I've done that step, I'm going to focus on solving my two-step equation. So I'm going to subtract my constant from both sides, leaving with 6x equals 1. And then I'm going to divide by my coefficient on both sides, which leaves me with x equals 1 over 6. Okay, I'm going to go back and check my Google Forms because I'm pretty sure I wrote in the wrong answer, so I apologize for that. Okay,